As part of E-Club Stories, here's one more story that reminds us how powerful a simple choice can be. This one begins at an airport in Dubai. I was waiting in line for a taxi, tired, distracted, and not expecting anything extraordinary. But then, a cab pulled up that instantly stood out. It gleamed under the lights, spotless and shining. The driver stepped out, neatly dressed in a white shirt, black tie, and polished shoes. He smiled warmly, opened the door for me, and said, "Good morning, I'm Abdul, your driver for today. While I load your bags, could you please read my mission statement?" A mission statement? From a cab driver? That already sounded different. I looked down at the laminated card. It said, "To get my customers to the destination in the quickest, safest, and cheapest way possible in a friendly environment." That single line said a lot. And as I got in, I realized Abdul meant every word. He asked politely, "Would you like a cup of coffee? I have regular and decaf." Surprised, I said jokingly, "I would rather have a soft drink." He smiled and replied, "No problem. I have Coke, Diet Coke, orange juice, and even lassi." A minute later, he handed me a newspaper and asked if I would like to listen to the radio, showing me yet another laminated card listing all the available stations. By then, I wasn't just impressed, I was curious. I asked, "Abdul, have you always treated your customers this way?" He smiled through the rear view mirror and said, "No, not always. For my first 5 years, I was like most other cab drivers, complaining, frustrated, just quacking away. Then one day, I learned about the power of choice." He continued, "You can be a duck or an eagle. Ducks quack and complain. Eagles soar above the crowd." He paused and added, "I realized I had been quacking my whole life. So I decided to change, to become an eagle. I cleaned my cab, changed my attitude, and started focusing on serving people, not just driving them." When I asked if it made a difference, Abdul's eyes lit up. "Absolutely," he said. "My first year as an eagle, I doubled my income. The next year, my earnings increased fourfold. Now my clients call me directly. I no longer wait in line." That day I realized success doesn't always come from big opportunities. It often begins with a simple decision to do ordinary things in an extraordinary way. Abdul chose to soar. And maybe that's the choice we all need to make every morning. This story is a reminder that no matter where you are, you always have the power to rise higher, one choice at a time. Thank you for listening. This is E-Club Stories. Let's stay connected for more stories that inspire, move, and make you think.